Hey y'all, we're here at Windsor Place in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing restaurants, shops, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a pickleball court, a swimming pool, a fitness center, and so much more. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Right outside of this unit, you'll find a convenient storage closet. Come on in. The large living room is perfect for entertaining. There's a bar area, countertop seating, and a dining room. That leads right into the modern kitchen that includes a pantry and stainless steel appliances. Out back, there's a covered patio. Back inside, you'll find a linen closet right next to the first spacious bedroom. Right across the hall, there's a huge closet, a double vanity, and a bathroom. Down the hall, you'll find a coat closet, the washer and dryer, the second bathroom, and the second bedroom, which also includes a large closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a seating area, computers and a printer, a coffee station with a Starbucks machine, a community kitchen, a modern fitness center with a Peloton, and a secure package room. Outside, you'll find a swimming pool, a grill area, and a playground. Click the link below to book your tour.